Why so many Grand Slams? That's a good question. We started out just having fun. We wanted to kill a Grand Slam like so many turkey hunters do. And we run up, one time I met Dick Kirby and he was on the quest to kill 50 Grand Slams. And I said, you know, I'd like to catch Dick Kirby. I'd like to kill 50 Grand Slams. "37 Grand Slams. Hunting's all people think I do. I teach carpentry at a prison in North Carolina for the community college. I also have a call company, done taxidermy work 20 years, and you got to keep the wife happy at home. So I'm a busy man. The goal here in South Florida is to get number 38 and 39. So let's go get him. There he is. There he is, right there. Right there. I'm gonna take him. Why so many Grand Slams? The whole thing is fun. I enjoy it. It's one of the best. It's my world. It's what I enjoy doing.
See what you did.